Hello, everyone. My name is Lexi, and welcome back to my English podcast. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Last time, I told you about my typical daily routine, but you know what? Not every day is the same. Today, I want to tell you about a different kind of day, a day when things don't go as planned. Let's talk about what happened yesterday. It was interesting. Yesterday, I woke up late, very late. My alarm didn't go off. I opened my eyes and looked at my phone. It was 8:30. 8:30. I never wake up at 8:30. I jumped out of bed so fast, I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no. Luna looked at me confused. She was thinking, why is Lexi running around like crazy? I didn't have time for my normal morning routine. No time to sit and think. No time to look in the mirror and say, good morning, Lexi. I ran to the bathroom and brushed my teeth super fast. I splashed water on my face. I looked in the mirror. My hair was everywhere. It looked like a bird's nest, but I had no time to fix it. Vocabulary note: jump out of bed means to get out of bed very quickly. I didn't even make breakfast. Can you believe it? No toast, no tea, nothing. I just grabbed a banana and ran out the door. My neighbor saw me in the hallway. She said, "Good morning, Lexi. Are you okay?" I said, "No time to talk." Sorry, I felt so rude. I had an online meeting at 9 a.m. and I was still in my pajamas at 8:45. I ran back to my apartment, sat at my desk, and opened my laptop. The meeting started in 5 minutes. I quickly put on a nice sweater, just the top. I was still wearing my pajama pants, but nobody could see them on the video call. Have you ever done this? Dressed nice on top, but casual on the bottom for a video call? It's funny, right? The meeting started. I turned on my camera and smiled. Good morning, everyone. I tried to look calm and professional, but inside, my heart was beating so fast. And then, oh no, Luna jumped on my desk. She walked right in front of the camera. Everyone on the call said, "Ah, cute cat." I was so embarrassed. I said, "Sorry, everyone." This is Luna. She loves attention. After the meeting, I finally made breakfast. At 10 a.m. That's not breakfast anymore. That's almost lunch. I made scrambled eggs and toast. I was so hungry. While I ate, I checked my emails. I had 47 new emails. 47. Where did they all come from? Your turn. Have you ever woken up late? What did you do? Think about it. After breakfast, or brunch really, I tried to work. But I couldn't focus. My internet connection was terrible. The video I was editing kept freezing. My laptop was going so slow. I was getting frustrated. So I decided, I need to go out. I need to work somewhere else. I got dressed properly, not just on top this time. And I walked to my favorite cafe, the Morning Bean. But when I got there, it was closed. There was a sign on the door, "Closed today for repairs." Sorry. I couldn't believe it. This was not my day. I walked to another cafe. It was busy and loud. There were no good seats by the window. I had to sit at a small table in the corner, next to the bathroom. Every 2 minutes, someone walked past me. It was so distracting, but I had no choice. I ordered a large latte and opened my laptop. I worked there for 2 hours. I edited my podcast, I answered some emails, and I wrote notes for a new episode. It wasn't perfect, but I got some work done. By 2 p.m., I was hungry again. I went to a small restaurant near the cafe. I ordered a chicken salad, but they brought me the wrong order. They gave me a burger. I said, "Excuse me, I ordered a salad." The waiter looked confused and said, "Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll fix this." I waited another 15 minutes for my salad. By the time I got it, I was so hungry that I ate it in 5 minutes. After lunch, I felt tired. I wanted to go home and take a nap, but I still had work to do. I went back to the cafe and worked until 5 p.m. My laptop battery died at 4:55. Of course it did. Perfect timing. I packed my things and walked home. It started raining, and I forgot my umbrella. I ran home in the rain. By the time I got to my apartment, I was wet and cold. Luna met me at the door. She looked at me like, "Lexi, you look terrible." Thanks, Luna. I know. By the evening, I just wanted to relax. I was done with this day. I changed into my comfortable clothes, my soft sweatpants and a big hoodie. I made myself a cup of hot tea and sat on the sofa. I didn't cook dinner. I was too tired. I ordered pizza. Yes, pizza. Sometimes pizza is the answer. While I waited for the pizza, I played Roblox with my friends. We built a funny house together and laughed so much. It felt so good to just have fun and forget about my crazy day. The pizza arrived. It was delicious. I ate 3 slices while watching a comedy show on Netflix. Luna sat next to me and purred. Finally, everything felt calm and peaceful. My brother Tom called me. He said, "Hey Lexi, how was your day?" I said, "Tom, you don't even want to know." And I told him the whole story. He laughed so hard. He said, "That sounds like a disaster." I said, "It was. But it's over now. Practice. Try to say, 'I had a crazy day. Good job.'" Before bed, I sat on my bed with Luna and thought about my day. Yes, it was chaotic. Yes, things went wrong. But you know what? It's okay. Not every day is perfect. Sometimes we wake up late. Sometimes our internet doesn't work. Sometimes we get the wrong food at a restaurant. Sometimes it rains when we forget our umbrella. These things happen to everyone. It's part of life. The important thing is, we keep going. We adapt. We find solutions. And at the end of the day, we can laugh about it. I brushed my teeth, told Luna goodnight, and went to bed. Tomorrow is a new day. A better day, I hope. So what did I learn from this crazy day? First, always check your alarm. Make sure it's set correctly. Second, have a backup plan. If your favorite cafe is closed, know another place to go. Third, it's okay to order pizza. You don't have to cook every day. Fourth, laugh about the bad moments. They make good stories later. Fifth, every day is different and that's okay. Now I want to ask you, tell me about your worst day. What happened? How did you handle it? Write in the comments below. I want to hear your stories. We can laugh together. Remember, bad days happen to everyone, even English teachers who make podcasts. The important thing is to stay positive and keep going. Tomorrow is always a new chance. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope my crazy day made you smile. Don't forget to subscribe and share this podcast with your friends. See you next time. Have a wonderful day, a better day than mine was. Bye-bye.